Howdy guys, as you can read of the title of this video, I'm going to bleach and dye the underlayer of my hair. So my hair has already been bleached, so it has grown. My hair, this is my hair before. So I'm gonna use this and then this to see if I can achieve the hair color that I want on my underlayers. Then I also have really big silver shampoo here and a really small conditioner. This is the cheapest hair bleach or coloring that I could find here in Denmark, because here is pretty expensive with everything, and it's not the same when I was in Thailand that you can choose different type of bleach powder and developer, how many volume and stuff. So let's just get started. So you're gonna do like this, I think. Is it high? No, not too high. Yeah, like it going down. Yeah, it feels thin, but does it look thin? You want me to hold? Okay. I have to mix all the stuff inside. Shake, shake, shake. Getting it's all mixed up. Do I need to cut this? This actually have a hole already. Gonna have some gloves. Oh, it's so weird to bleach this way. Oh, it's actually I feel like it's harder to bleach this way. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's strong. About 1 inch away from my roots. I feel like just gonna put some on the bowl and then I'm gonna use my brush because it's kind of hard to use this actually. Unless you do on the roots, I guess, but I'm not doing the roots first. See, it's easier like this way. It's actually really strong. Oh my god. It's really, really strong actually. I underestimated it. It's so strong, but usually when I bleach before, like within few minutes I can see brown, but not with this one. Just want to make sure every strands got bleach. So I'm just gonna let it sit for 20 minutes, and then if it's still not like light brown or something, I'm gonna do it again, and then I'm gonna do the roots as well. So hi guys, so it's been 20 minutes and you can see it's a bit brown, so I'm gonna top it up again with more bleach. I need to do my roots now. All the baby hair. I'm gonna ask help from my fiance to do the back of my hair. Make sure all the baby hair also got it. Just gonna let it sit for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna bleach it again with this one, and yeah, we'll see. Hey guys, so this is my hair after I wash it and blow dry my hair. So it's still pretty like dark brass yellow liquid. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, really strong smell. So some of my baby black hair will join. I still have like black in the top. Jesus, this one is really strong. It's really hurt on the skin. So I'm just gonna let it sit for maybe just 20 minutes. Hi, so this is the result after the second bleach. Aluminum foil that hopefully will help it, you know, lighten it up. Just the lower part, because the lower part of the hair is really hard to lighten it up. Then in the roots, look, my roots is already like really light. Definitely got some bleach on the black hair on the roots because it's kind of hard to really make it perfect. I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes and we will see how it is after. I have this, and I actually also have this one, but I decided to use this one today. This. It's a bit lighter now, like you can see. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wash it out and then let's see. Yeah, it's still like orangey, like, you know, dark yellow, orange, brown or something. Just gonna put some moisturizer around my face and neck because I don't have Vaseline, so I'm using moisturizer instead. My hair is still a bit wet, so it's saying here it's okay to, because it's recommended to wash your hair and then just towel dry it. So this is the color. It's kind of like deep purple shampoo. I'm gonna start on the lower part of my hair since it's darker. I'm gonna use comb to comb it out to see if they are evenly coated. I'm gonna move on to the roots of my hair. Kinda like it turned gray, but I don't know after I wash them off. So the lower part of my hair is like has been bleached before and now it's dark brown. I don't know if it's effect, but I have so much left, so I'm just gonna put some on my hair. My hair is so tangled. Just gonna use my fingers to separate them. It's saying here 20 to 30 minutes, but I'm gonna leave it off for 25 minutes. And guys, it's been 20 minutes and I'm just gonna put some gloves because I don't want all glue on my hand. Just gonna take it off my shirt so I can wash my neck properly. Let's wash. Definitely turned blue. It's still hard to see because my hair is so wet. How are you peeping?
A pee-pee.
So I'm just gonna air dry my hair because my hair has been through a lot today already with bleaching twice and then coloring my hair. So I think it's best to just let it air dry and then I'm gonna do the final result tomorrow instead, but in the same video, but I'm gonna do the final result later on once it's dried and style my hair. And yeah, let's see how it is after it dry, because you know the final result of your hair color is once your hair is dry. So right now it still looks so dark, but I think it will look a bit lighter once it's really dry. And we will see. I'm also excited for the final result, and let's see how it is. So yeah. Hi, so this is the final result. I tried to match my eyeshadow with my hair, but I don't know if I did a good job. I'm not really good at doing eyeshadow makeup and stuff, but I just try. So this is the result. The hair that near my roots, so I still have a lot of blue hair that I have some wound in here because of I scratched it during the time I bleach my hair, so that's why they have kind of like this. Yeah, this is the final result. See? You know, the bleach hair is so different when I was in Thailand, because they have really so many variety of bleach, but here is so limited. Please let me know what do you think, guys, so if I should really stop dyeing my hair, because I don't know if this is a good idea, being older and dyeing my hair. Okay guys, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as I enjoy making this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos from me. And yeah, see you on my next video. Bye bye.